Okay, today is the 25th of July 2023 and what was the address again?
Naapuripellontie 8.
Yeah, Naapuripellontie. It's the C here in Malminkartano, Malmgård. I think Konala. Or is it? Yeah.
No.
Or it's close to it, but
Yeah.
this is also built in 2003, but beginning of 2003, because it says 02 on the glass, that's 2002.
Yeah.
4 floors. And the chamber is 1609C2 for some reason. The best exact persons for 630 grams. It's going to be inspected this year, 2023, but it has been turned, it has turned 20 years old. And there's the Schindler logo by that door out there.
Yeah.
And at least they still have the. No, here it's the regular call button. But
Oh,
downstairs
it's strange.
It's strange, but downstairs it's the touch button.
Yeah.
Like this menu.
No se päivittiin stuut, että meitä ei pääsi pois sieltä. No, mainossuunta.
No, it doesn't have. And at least it has a wood interior also,
Yeah.
apart from the touch button in the first one. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Go to the 6th later. I like that close in the first one.
Okay. That's